Good morning, everybody. Real quickly about the live Zoom intensive masterclass, whatever you want to call it, coming up this Thursday at 4 p.m. Pacific. It's the Calf Jumps and Spinal Hygiene, but the next level. So we're taking this, we've already done this topic over a year ago. So people have been applying them for over a year. I've been enhancing them and improving on them and exploring them and testing them in addition to over a year. And I wanted to provide this next level class for those who are interested. So first off, if you didn't make the first one, don't worry about it. We're going to recover and go over all that information again, but as it stands to who I am and what I've been doing now. So a little different, but just an upgraded, enhanced version of the beginner, earlier material. These are non-negotiables in my life. I'm going to go over why they are. Why I fit them into my day, why they're the first movement inputs that I do in a day, what it has to do with our energy budget. What the hell is an energy budget? What does that have to do with anything? How you can use these to predict what your programming for your training is going to be for the rest of the day. It's kind of a cool thing to do, because we can take an inventory at night and in the morning and then go ahead and run through these, and it wasn't what we thought it was, and then we make a pivot, we make a change, and it fits seamlessly into your life. But you want to understand why these are non-negotiables, or in my life, at least for over 14, 15 years. These will not address specific injuries for obvious reasons. Those are left for one-on-ones in varying capacities, whether it's information sessions or full evaluations. But there's just too many details and too many things we have to get into that go into cause of injury for a specific person and solution. But that's not to say that you can't take some principles and concepts that you learn in this, apply them to your life, and body ends up changing, and it no longer needs to get your attention with damaged tissue. Problem solved, resolved, you're good, healed, moved on, great. That's not the intention behind this class though, but it has happened. So I don't want to deter anybody from there. But that being said, if you currently have an injury or a multitude of injuries, or you can't get out of a chair, you can't get out of a bed, don't worry about it. There was a time not too long ago that I couldn't get out of a bed, and I had to apply these. So I will be addressing how to implement them to all populations. So that's for any walk of life. That being said, what these have to do with athleticism, applying them to sports, applying them to common activities like walking, jogging, sprinting, what posture is, truly is, what lymph is. Lymph is a big popular hot item that's going around, and people have just taken calf jumps from me, actually. Not that I invented these, but taken them from an eval and then just reworded them into some lymph thing and then applied them. So I want to get into the truth behind what lymph is, because there's just more to be said there, and a very powerful topic. Touch a little bit upon, I might do a bigger zoom on this, core. Like, what is the core? What does it even mean? And what does this have to do with it? How you fit these in, as I said, into your energy budget. That's going to be a big one. Can't get by that. What is true training? How to take these and advance them? Because as I've said, these moves, to me and to my clientele, they're on everyone's document in the small portion that is their training. It's like a drawbridge to cross the moat to build the castle, but these will not build the castle per se, and I want to explain what that even means. I don't look to these as training in my life, to building a castle, preparing myself for life, but there is a place that they fit, and there is a way that we can take these, expand upon them even more, and put them into a position that we can actually change ourselves, that we can build a castle up and wide through these 7-8 moves. So I want to get into all that. Please submit your questions. Questions are coming in. They're fantastic. I like to see where your guys' brains are and what you've been thinking and feeling over the last however long. So no question is silly or goofy. We will address them all. Please, as it pertains to the topic, though, that we'll be discussing. So when you email and when you register, send me your questions. Another thing, if you can't attend this Thursday at 4 p.m. Pacific time, don't worry about it. A replay is going to be made available to those who register at this rate for 7 days. It's going to be 2 to 3 hours of information. So 7 days, I think, is a great amount of time for you guys to pull this stuff apart. Plus those who can't make it for a variety of reasons around the world or previously occupied, you'll be able to have access to the material for 7 days. And then what's going to happen is whoever signs up for an eval after this is going to be the upgraded prep work, because if anybody does an evaluation before they see me, I send them the hanging Zoom and the Calf Jump Spinal Hygiene Zoom for them to go over on their own at their leisure, as prep work for the evaluation, because we don't go over these in the eval. There's too many other things to cover, and this would just eat up time, and there's more important things, but we need to prioritize if we only have 3 to 4 hours. So looking forward to it, getting kind of nervous. This is how we go. Ooh, at the end of the class, we will be running a training session per se, where we're going to be going through the moves together, you and me together, a full session of applying calf jumps, spinal hygiene, all spinal hygiene moves, including cross crawl Supermans, but we'll be doing them together. So I think that's something kind of cool at the end there if you want to participate there, to look forward to. So that means you got to stick around. And I can tend to get wordy just because we pivot and we get into so many different things. So looking forward to seeing everybody there. Have a great week. I'll see you all Thursday.